Eat in. Alright. Recording?
Niggas,
oh shit,
we out here with some motherfucking shufflers out here. I don't give a fuck how y'all niggas do it.
Some shufflers?
Niggas, we go hard. For real.
Horde style shufflers, not Malaysian.
Not Malaysian. Fuck that Malaysian shit. Come on.
You know what I'm saying? Pull out hard for y'all niggas.
Man, say how to do it. This is called the bird nest. In the nest.
Better go hold.
Man, this song is so hard, bro.
You gotta fast forward that whole dude.
If you ain't heard of Zay Talks, then I don't know what you're hearing. We over here on that Andromeda.
The Remembrance shit, know what I'm saying?
Andromeda.
Go hard style in this bitch.
Nigga, the end of the world's coming, so you know, motherfucker, we about to get this paper, do our thing before we die. Before we out here, cause we out here.
We out here.
Cause we out here.
You better go hard as soon as the music come up, watch.
Nigga,
They'll be like, we just start doing that tectonic shit, know what I'm saying? That
feel the bass off the wall, you can hear that shit pump. Promise you. Niggas get my fucked over here.
my fucked.
So I need to fucking install like a fucking strobe light or some shit, man. Popping in this bitch.
Get piggity popping in this motherfucker, know what I'm saying? Gotta start shuffling, watch this. Horde styles, know what I'm saying? Horde style.